The cost of seeing clearly. If you have fewer people around you than you used to, this isn't a coincidence. And it's not temporary. It's a consequence. Because awareness doesn't just change how you think, it changes how you relate. And once that happens, most social systems stop functioning the way they used to. Not because you rejected people, but because you stopped participating in the illusion that keeps groups stable. Awareness always has a price. The mistake most people make is thinking that price is isolation. It isn't. It's repositioning. Why most people misunderstand friendship. Most people believe relationships are built on connection. They aren't. They're built on emotional synchronization. Same complaints. Same humor. Same moral language. Same enemies. Same explanations for why life is hard. Synchronization creates predictability. Predictability signals safety. And safety keeps groups intact. The moment you stop syncing emotionally, friction appears. You don't have to argue. You don't have to challenge. You don't even have to speak. Your restraint alone is enough. That's usually when distance begins. The evolutionary reason this hurts. For most of human history, exclusion meant death. So the brain evolved a rule. Belong at all costs. Agreement over truth. Harmony over accuracy. Belonging over clarity. That wiring never disappeared. Modern society still runs on it. Most people unconsciously adapt their beliefs to stay socially safe. This is why people avoid uncomfortable truths. Why they defend systems that don't serve them. Why they attack anyone who disrupts group narratives. Belonging feels better than being right. Until awareness develops. What awareness actually does to you. Awareness doesn't make you louder. It makes you quieter. You start hearing what's being avoided, not just what's being said. You notice contradictions. You notice emotional manipulation. You notice status games hiding behind politeness. Small talk stops feeling harmless. Group conversations feel rehearsed. Participation starts to feel dishonest. So you withdraw. Not dramatically, but precisely. You speak less. You share selectively. You stop explaining. From the outside, it looks like distance. From the inside, it feels like relief. Why this feels like failure? When your social world shrinks, your mind looks for a reason. And the fastest explanation is this: something is wrong with me. That explanation hurts, but it's familiar. The real explanation is more unsettling. Your awareness outpaced your environment. And environments don't adapt quickly. People do. This isn't rejection. It's misalignment. The biggest mistake people make. Most people respond to this phase incorrectly. They explain themselves. They over-communicate intentions. They soften opinions. They seek reassurance. They chase inclusion again. Strategically, this backfires. Because socially, explaining is a low-status signal. High-status individuals are not understood immediately. They are observed. Talking more does not restore connection. It lowers leverage. The unwritten social contract. Every group has an unspoken rule. We won't question the structure as long as you don't. Most people accept this rule automatically. They trade honesty for acceptance, curiosity for comfort, awareness for belonging. If you don't accept the trade, you're not expelled. You're repositioned, less invited, less included, less central. That's not punishment. That's system self-preservation. Why this phase is necessary? This phase is not permanent. It is preparatory. Isolation sharpens perception. Silence builds discipline. Distance removes noise. Most people never enter this phase. They stay distracted. Those who do emerge with clarity, with restraint, with leverage. If you have fewer people around you now, it doesn't mean you failed. It means your position changed. Awareness rearranges your world. The mistake is thinking that's loss. It isn't. It's preparation.